Earlier crime 2021. ಎಷ್ಟು crime ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಒಂದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾವು ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕೇಸ್.
ಏನಿದು?
ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಬುರ್ಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಕ್ಯುಸೇಷನ್. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು
ನೀವೇನ್ ಕೇವೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How did you appear?
ಅದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತ? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
this caveat business should stop.
Yes.
There is no caveat in 482. It doesn't mean that you can appear and it's only for the state because state copy servagirutte. You can't appear.
What happened?
You can't appear and how are you arguing the matter? Yes, yes.
Offense is under 196 clause 1, 352, 351.
Correct, 353 and 505 ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, it is a conversation between me and my known person, my lord. He is known to me since from his childhood I know him. He has participated in one Yakshagana program that is telecasted in Namma Kudla TV channel. Moreover, my lord,
ಇದು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಹೌದು, SIT ಆದಾಗಿಂದ they are using this concept in all their Yakshagana programs as a comedy, my lord. Comedian comes with the mask and ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು and taunting this petitioner. This is going on for 1.5 years, my lord. And this conversation is concerned, I just spoke to him saying ಅದೇನು ಬುರುಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್.
ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ SPP.
This is a conversation. This is how the entire messages have been spread also. And
but ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆನ್. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯದವರ ಹತ್ರ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, there is one
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ದು.
Yes, madam. One more matter, madam, where trial the coordinate bench.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ.
That has been circulated.
That has been circulated by them, you know.
Who circulated?
That is what we are investigating, my lord. But there is this.
I think you investigate who has circulated this. We will bring that person to books. You will cooperate with the investigation. No precipitative action will be taken.
My lord, coordinate bench in another matter, anticipatory bail has been granted. Directed him to appear before the investigation.
He will appear.
He is not appeared in before the investigation.
ನೀವು appear ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್? ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವಾ ಅದು? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
the externment order, my lord, is not available for execution of externment
order. All right, now if there is an externment order, how can he appear?
Yes, externment order also we could not execute it.
Forget it, sir. Externment order idre how can you appear?
We has to follow the externment order. He has challenged before this court.
Externment order stay agilla andre he have to go.
He went all the way to he challenged in writ appeal. This court in writ appeal dismissed it.
Then externment order you appear
before
Supreme Court.
One more thing, my lord, I have filed a petition for modification of anticipatory bail order also as well.
Anticipatory bail reject ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲವಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕು.
ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ?
IO ಮುಂದೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, since it is pending before the.
No, externment order ಬಗ್ಗೆ don't worry, appear before the IO. I will direct, no precipitative action will be taken. You cooperate with the investigation. Let us know who has circulated it. The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime for offence punishable under section 5052 and 153A of the IPC, presently 196 and 350. 352(2) of the BNS. The petitioner, the learned counsel of the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been granted anticipatory bail but cannot comply with the said direction of appearance before the investigating officer as an order of externment is hanging on the sword of externment is hanging on the head of the petitioner. Be that as it may, the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer and cooperate with the investigation as who has circulated the private conversation between the petitioner and his friend is to be deciphered. While the petitioner shall appear, but no coercive steps shall be taken against him in the garb of investigation.
116 connected.
See 116 same order. Same order as 108. 108, 106,
Maybe
116.
club together.
Tag ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. 101